Hey guys, how we doing? I got a wee comment on one of my videos earlier that I haven't put up a video for a couple of weeks, which is fair enough because I haven't. The reason for that is there's nothing really to show. My plants are growing. That's about it. But yesterday I done a wee bit of work. In the polytunnel I planted in some of my brassicas, kale, cauliflower, broccoli. I've put some onion, lettuce, beetroot in the polytunnel. I then moved the rest out, put them down there. Basically what you see here is all I've got left out of everything that I had there. The reason for that is I've been trading. If you look down there, that's a couple of bags of horse manure that my daughter's next door neighbour has got horses. So basically we traded some of them for some of that, which I was really quite happy about. I've put half a bag in my compost bin to help make that better for next year, or the end of the year. My peas are still doing well. I've put my sweet peas out. This is stuff that the wife bought. I mean, I've got all these flowers growing and all these vegetables and things growing, and the wife buys flowers. If we come out here, see, everything here looks as if it's doing okay. If we come out here, I've got my lettuce, young lettuce in there. There's the lettuce that I've been eating. And I'll get this at the road. Put that there. Here's my Epicure potatoes starting to show. Well, we call them Ayrshire's, but they're actually Epicures. This is the lettuce that I've got. I kept it in the greenhouse because it might still be a wee bit cold for it at night. Oh, that doesn't look too healthy, does it? No, I think that one's gave up the ghost. Oh, I'll keep it and see what happens, but that one's gave up the ghost. But look at this one. I think it's time I got these into some sort of, I don't know, planter box. I think I'm going to hang them actually. I bought these strawberries bare root from Amazon. This is 4 lettuce that I've been munching on every day for lunch. So that's what's in there. That's what's down there. As you can see, I have planted out some brassicas. They're there. And over there. I needed the room. I put them out. If they die, I've got plenty more that I can use to put back in. I'm not really too worried. My grass didn't take, as you can see. I don't know whether the box was a bad batch, or whether it was too cold, or whether I didn't wait long enough between putting the weed killer down and the grass seed down. But the guy that lives next to my mother-in-law, he's a gardener. That's what he does for a living. And he told me that I could have done it, beginning of March. So anyway, we'll get back to that at some point. So if we come in here, as you can see, I've now got 3 grow lights. 1, 2, and 1 at the back. 2, 1 at the back. And in here, this is just basil and cuttings off the basil. Use basil a lot. And here, that's all sweet corn. I only need 6, so maybe even 5, so the rest will be going somewhere. And this is the tomatoes that I've got left. I've already gave some away. And I only need 2 of them, 2 of them, 2 of them, 2 of them, and I'm keeping all 5 of the Crimson Crush. This is flowers that I planted, seeds that I put out. I think they're poached eggs. That's what they are. They're the poached eggs. That's it, really. That's the reason I've not been doing videos, because I've been thinking there's not really much to do, not really much to say. And I was getting to the stage where I was thinking more about the video rather than the garden, i.e. what video can I make this week, or instead of doing what does the garden need this week. Anyway, we're kind of back to normal, so I might get back into doing the videos if things keep progressing. And one of my paintings all ready to go for the expedition. That was the Burns Brigadoon, sorry, and there's another one that we've got hanging. Basically, there's nothing else to talk about, there's nothing else to do. I'm going to, after I do this video, I'm going to go out to my garage. I'm seriously thinking. I've got one of those wee pipe heater things, and I'm thinking, this is actually doing quite well, isn't it? I'm thinking make some sort of, I don't know, we'll call it a greenhouse in a garage, and have 3 levels and put the 3 lights, you know, level each, and see if I can get it to stay warm enough so that all this can happen out there. I need to check, I need to test it. What I'll do is I'll plug the heater in. I'll plug the heater in and cover it and see what temperature I can get it up to. I don't know. Anyway, well, that's about it, guys. As I said, not much to do, not much to say. The fruit trees are coming along nicely. I showed you them when I was the back door open, actually. Basically, that's it. I've still got my flower seedlings in the polytunnel, or low tunnel. But you can see, I don't know if you can see there that the trees are, I'm actually quite happy in those pots. Well, I hope you are all keeping safe and staying well, but now that we're starting to come out of this lockdown thing, but that's about it, really. Anyway, thanks for watching, stay safe, and I have been watching on your YouTube things when I'm not been playing my games. So I'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.